Hi, this is Jane from Chi-Rho Sound Therapy. Thought I would show you my new recording studio and sound therapy equipment. Got my 2 keyboards hooked up with microphones and headphones. Bass guitar, electric guitar, a basic acoustic. These 3 are electric acoustic. This one's my 12-string electric acoustic. I have many bells. My beautiful hand pan. I got a new Chinese style cymbal that sounds like a gong. I got a didgeridoo the other day. That's the long one. That's a didgeridoo. And then my 10 flutes. That one's my low D. And I got some drone flutes. Some tiny flutes. Pan flute, ocarinas. My little thumb drum. Chimes. This is one of my newest instruments. It's used, but I got a really good deal on it. It is an African steel drum. The microphone that we use for our looping, for background noises and sounds. Just sound instruments. Got more bells, rattles, tambourines, rain sticks. My drums. This is my newest one, ocean drum. That will make some cool background noise. Lap harp. Got a lap dulcimer. Singing bowls. Quite a few singing bowls. There's more in those bags. It's got this new little cushion that spins, so I can sit down and play. Spin around. It's just our big PA system speakers. So thank you for watching, and I will be doing some videos soon, especially with this new looper pedal. So I will talk to you later. Bye.